Whirlpool refrigerator model OBX WRS555SIHV repairs. Maximize kitchen storage with this 36-inch Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. It has dedicated storage for bottles or cans for easy access to beverages, and the infinity slide shelf slides back and stops at any point to fit irregularly shaped items. Store frozen pizzas upright in this Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator using the specialized pizza pocket. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling.